Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big.
TikTok, you guys are always coming up with some really great recipes. Today we're gonna try out that viral pesto eggs. So we thought, you know, it sounds so easy and so delicious, so we should just make our own pesto because you could buy it in a jar, but why not, right, Gina?
Yes. And we just happen to have these ingredients handy and on hand. So why not?
First thing we need is some pine nuts. And you can change this up. When we looked at the recipe, people use walnuts, they use other nuts, but we're gonna go the old school classic way, which is with pine nuts, a little garlic, sprinkle of salt, sprinkle of pepper, some lemon juice. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is add in our basil, which makes us the green pesto. And then we're gonna blend that all in together again and get it all kind of mixed in and kind of smooth.
We can't just throw everything in.
We add in our olive oil.
This is becoming a lot of work.
What? Some Parmesan cheese. You know what? I'm gonna add in a little bit more olive oil on mine, just because I want it to be a little smoother. And you know, if you don't want to add basil, you can add in some other things. I saw that you could do kale, spinach,
raw zucchini.
Mm-hmm.
What else was there? There's a lot of substitutions you can do. All right, did you guys just see how quick and easy it was to make homemade pesto? So fast, so easy.
And you know what's going in it. That's the best part.
I'll walk across the room just to show you that I'm still around. Ask if you wanna meet somewhere later when the sun goes down.
Okay, so far it's not terribly sticky, but it's not perfectly not sticky either. So I don't know, maybe I just needed more pesto to cover it a little better.
So I'm prepping it just like she did in TikTok. So she smears her bread with some ricotta cheese, and then she puts on a little avocado, and she drizzles it with a little honey.
I'm just doing the eggs. I'm doing the I forgot to get it from the store and I'm too tired to go back to get it version.
All right, I've got my TikTok pesto egg. It was super simple, and I did it just like she did it in the video. So I'll let you know if it's worth it or if just the pesto and egg is probably good enough. So, perfect.
Ready, set, go. I like it.
Me too. Yeah, well, I did it just like she did it, and I like it. I like the ricotta. I like that little honey smear. It gives it a little, like, I don't know. You get like that little, like, ooh, what's that? I like this. And it was so simple. And if you don't want to, just buy it out of a jar.
Is it good enough to make for guests?
I think so. I think it,
or like a brunch?
I would totally make this as a brunch item. I think it's so easy and so good, and your guests would want to know, like, what is this? And you're going to go, pesto and eggs.
So we didn't need the oil on the pan. We didn't need to add salt and pepper to the eggs. All of it was in the pesto. Another recommended recipe from Kitchen. Thanks for joining us. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss another one of our videos. See you next time. Bye.